Hello class. Today we are going to discuss about quality audits. Before moving ahead, we must know what is good manufacturing practices for pharmaceuticals, and we have already discussed about it. And in this particular presentation, we are going to discuss what are quality audits and what are the types of audits. So what is it? A systematic and independent examination to determine whether quality activities and related results comply with planned arrangements and whether these arrangements are implemented and effectively and are suitable to achieve objective. So this is done to check out that whether the quality guidelines are strictly implemented in a firm or not according to the planned one. So goal of audit to collect objective evidence to permit an informed judgment about the status of the system or product being audited. Basic type of audited: internal audit, first party or self audit. So this type include audits by company employees, consultant and contractors. External audit: supplier audit, second party customer employee audit your company, or your employees audit a company which supplies your company with a product or service. So basic type of audit: independent organization, third party audit. A customer wants an audit of your company. Audit subtype: compliance. Do we comply with standard? Example: desk audit of high level system. System, the theory. Example: audit of document control. Process, the practice. Audit of any process. Product, the result. Audit of finished product and technical specifications. Now, what is who is auditor? A person who has appropriate qualification and perform audit. Client: a person or organization requesting the audit. For internal audit, that is the management representative. Auditee: an organization, facility or person being audited. Quality system: the organization structure, responsibility, procedures, process and resource for implementing quality management. Observation: a statement of fact made during an audit and substantiated by objective evidence. Non-conformity: non-fulfillment specified requirement. Objective evidence: qualitative or quantitative information, record or statement of fact pertaining to the quality of an item or service or to the existing implementation of a quality system element which is based on observation, measurement or test and which is verified. Who performs audit? Imposed upon manufacturer or supplier, regulatory, customer or potential customer, third party. Performance by manufacturer: internal, self-inspection and external. Who performs an audit? Internal, self-inspection, overall, departmental, product-oriented, system-oriented. External, supplier, contract manufacturer, contract packager or contract warehouse or distributor. Internal, in order to determine the level of compliance, build confidence in GMP and QA system, build interdepartmental trust, understanding and communication, determine measures necessary to improve, example premises, equipment, environment, then operation, action, procedure, personnel and training, provide a stimulus for improvement, recommend corrective action, monitor improvement. So these are the reasons for quality audit. For external, these are: establish and monitor capability of supplier or contractor to deliver goods and services that are fit for purpose and on time and in the quantity required. Build mutual confidence, promote understanding and communication between the parties involved. Both sides can learn, and in general as listed for internal. Plan and prepare follow-ups, arrange and announce, format report with recommendation, arrive at site of audit, meet, explain purpose, informal oral report of finding, perform audit. Then process audit: examination, establish methods, instruction, workflow for processes, maintenance program for production equipment, material handling, housekeeping around the work area. Then here companies' processes are evaluated. Processes are sub part of a system. Process audit are generally a part of large system audit. However, they can be performed independently. An internal audit may indicate need to perform a specific process audit. Almost always one or more other process will interact with any given process. So one very important issue to consider: effectiveness of communication between and or processes. Tools of the auditor: documents, quality and GMP regulations, standard and guidelines, local, national or international, previous audit and follow-up reports, auditees on document and record audit checklist require that auditor evaluates a certain number of processes, plans and documents. The auditor own eyes, ear, brain, words, and they have an auditing plan. Typical checklist for facility audit: is there a documented sanitation program? Are the specification of the program followed? Are the standard operating procedure? Is a pre-operational audit conducted prior to production? Are corrective action taken in response to pre-operational audit findings? What are the general conditions in the plant? Are the floor, walls and ceiling is in good condition? Are the exterior structure and ground maintained condition to prevent contamination? Thank you very much.